Hi everybody, sorry about my appearance. I have had a very long day. So today, we are going to do an Owlcrate unboxing and some mail. Hold on, I just gotta grab that. Some book mail. Start with this, since it's only one thing. It's also Sanskrit workbook. I got this for my daughter. Even though I don't think she'll do anything, or I could use it myself. But it says ages 3 through 6. She's 3 right now. So I'm gonna move this up here. So we get into Owlcrate. I know it's in here. I've been waiting for this since like Saturday. It didn't come Saturday, but this is the little card that comes in with Owlcrate. And if you're not familiar with Owlcrate, it is a monthly subscription book box that is $29.99 plus shipping and handling, and it comes with a newly released YA book with a whole bunch of bookish goodies, as you can tell. This is a little card that comes into it that tells you about everything inside. As you can tell. And the theme is A Power Within. I like this card. It's really pretty. First, we are the cards. See if I can do this one-handed. Well, I'm not going to open it like I was going to, but it is based off the Throne of Glass series. Let's see, get this focus. Hold on. Sorry about that. There we go, got to focus. Sorry about that. It's designed with love by Owlcrate and Michelle Gray. Hopefully I will be having a camera here soon, so this will be a little bit easier. Next, we have the enamel pin. It says, "Still I Will Fight." It's a little crown with tentacles. So pretty. We also have keychain. Sorry about that. Trying to get this to focus a little bit. It says Break Bill's alumni. It is inspired by The Magicians by Lev Grossman. And it was designed by Blooming Library. Definitely be putting that on my keychain. Next, we have a little cloth. Hold on. It comes inside this little pouch. Sorry, everybody. It's taking me a little bit. I record on my phone. Hold on. So you guys can see it a little bit better. Sorry. It is Keep your glasses, e-readers dust free while you read with double-sided screen cleaning cloth. Feature design inspired by the Wicked Saints. The Nadia fan art was created by Nicole Deal, and the quote on the reverse was hand-lettered by Leaf and Lore. So I'll turn it over. It says a witch is a girl who has realized her power is her own. So it's definitely pretty. Sorry, everybody. Kind of doing this all one-handed here. Little worms. Next, we have a bento box. Oops. I like those little baggies. Okay. So, we have a little bento box. Comes with spoon and metal chopsticks. Oops. It's a little compartment. I definitely like this. I will definitely be using this if I go on a long trip, or if I'm just out. Let's read the card. Team Owlcrate designed this bento box for metal-eating monsters who like to pack their lunches while traveling through Luthadel, and for Mistborn readers who enjoy tastier foods. We use, Scadril's steel alphabet to spell Owlcrate on the top. So this on this front here, it spells Owlcrate. And then also on the bottom, it also says Owlcrate. Okay. Next, we have, this is what I've been really excited for because just love they're just bookmarks. Thread Sister BFF bookmarks. It says, I'll always follow you and you'll always follow me through Thread Sisters to the end. And it was inspired by, the Witchland series by Suzanne Denard. They have little, I'm sorry guys, a little ruler. Looks like in inches. And there is 2 of them. And there's also the string that goes on the top. It's kind of unique. I like that. I'm going to just move this over here. I know who I'm giving it to. Oh, wormies. Okay. This month we also received, it's an Owlcrate exclusive. It is a little preview or an excerpt for The Chain of Gold by Cassandra Clare, the first book in the Last Hours series, and it's also part of the Shadowhunter world. This book also comes out March 3rd. So if you guys are you love the Shadowhunter series, I'd definitely start pre-ordering. Oh, this is pretty cool. It has this Shadowhunter series right there, if you're not familiar. I know I am currently not familiar with the series, but I plan on reading them. There's 50-something pages into it. Sorry, I'm trying to see how many chapters there are. Just pass the dogs. One. Looks like there's 2 chapters. So I'll definitely read this. I might put this up for a giveaway as soon as I reach a certain number, or I may just keep it for. We had another preview of The Beautifuls before that came out, so I have a little box that's for. And last thing we have is not exactly last, but the book. All the Stars and Teeth by Adeline Grace. Also, Owlcrate books come with a letter from the author. They also have an exclusive cover. I'll show you the difference here in a sec. I'm just trying to open this so I can give you guys a little look. So, little letter from the author. This is Princess, Pirate, Stowaway, Mermaid, the crew makes the queen, she will reign. It definitely feels different because usually it's like a card type feel that's more paper. On the outside of the dust jacket is, I know this lighting in here is not good. A little crown. It's purple. I love the smell of new books. It has a little map on the inside. Gives you a little excerpt of the different kingdoms. Oh, there's a sign. I definitely like the aqua. Put this dust jacket on because I usually leave the letters right on the inside of the book, so that way I know where they go, what book they went to. Sorry. I'm sorry if you can hear my child in the background. I have her in the living room. Yep, I put her right there. And I'll read the letter when I read it. But I'm going to read the excerpt for you guys. As princess of the island kingdom, the Zidia, Amora Montara has spent her entire life training to be high Animancer, the master of souls. The rest of the realm can choose their magic, but for Amora, it's never been a choice. To secure her place as heir to the throne, she must prove her mystery of the monarchy's dangerous soul magic. When her demonstration goes awry, Amora is forced to flee. She strikes a deal with Bastion, a mysterious pirate. He'll help her prove she's fit to rule if she'll help him reclaim his stolen magic. But sailing the kingdom holds more wonder and more peril than Amora anticipated. A destructive new magic is on the rise, and if Amora is to conquer it, she'll need to face legendary monsters, cross paths with vengeful mermaids, and deal with a stowaway she never expected, or risk the fate of Visidia and lose the crown forever. I am the right choice, the only choice, and I will protect my kingdom. Sounds very interesting. It kind of gives me like a mermaid, Little Mermaid vibe, kind of. I mean, I've never really read much mermaids or that kind of fantasy. So, we also get a booklet through Owlcrate. It's a little newsletter that talks about, you have an interview with the author. Okay, so you can see it a little bit better. This is the regular. It's more like a deep blue, purplish. Now it's like more like an aqua blue, green. I definitely like the difference in this one. Last month I was not too impressed because I like the original better. It also comes with a little crossword, and if you like this book, then you're going to like these ones. An interview with an artist. Sorry. You also get the photo challenge if you want to participate. I did once. And then also they have been coming out with a Spotify list each month so far. I really like it. And then other releases are about to be coming out. And I know Owlcrate did a specific box for Heart of Flames. But that's for that. And you also come with a little card for the theme for next month, in which next month I suggest everybody get because it's the 5th anniversary. The theme of March is Music of the Night. If you don't like seeing the little sneak peeks, this will probably be the end for you to watch this. But sneak peek for next month is every March box will receive an item from Flick the Wick. But that's all there is in this. If you like this video and would like to see more unboxings, hit that subscribe button, like this video, let me know if you've watched it. Leave your comments down below. I'm sorry about this video. Should have had it all planned out, but I really didn't. But, yep, that's all I have for right now. I will give you guys all a sneak peek or talk a little bit later in the week about the books I've been reading, such as Carry On, which I'm just about done with. I've also got, that's my library bag that I gotta read. And I should have more book mail this week. So, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm sorry again. But I will talk to you all again later this week or the beginning of next week. Bye.